In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your eBay missing listings. If you've ever logged into your eBay account and noticed that some of your listings have mysteriously disappeared, don't worry, you're not alone. We're going to take a step-by-step approach to help you locate those elusive listings, so let's dive right in. First, head over to the selling section within your Seller Hub or My eBay. This is your starting point for managing all of your listings. You want to ensure that you're in the right place to effectively track down any missing items. Once you're there, take a moment to confirm that the listing in question is indeed active. It might seem obvious, but occasionally listings can be saved as drafts, or might even be in another status that prevents them from displaying properly. If your listing is active, we can move on to the next set of steps. To aid your search, use specific keywords from your listing title in the eBay search bar. Think about the most distinctive words from your title that would help toggle the search engines to your specific listing. This tactic assists in narrowing down possibilities among a potentially overwhelming number of similar listings. Once you have your search results, applying filters can further refine what you are seeing. You might filter by location, item condition, or other attributes to make sure you're looking at a list that's relevant and manageable. Now, if by any chance you discover that the listing isn't active, it might have been ended, either automatically or manually. When this happens, return to your Seller Hub and locate the listings section. Check the Ended tab to find listings that have come to their term. If your missing listing is there, you have your answer. But what if it isn't under ended listings? The sad reality might be that it's been deleted. Unfortunately, it's important to remember that deleted listings are not recoverable after a certain period, which eBay indicates is usually between 60 to 90 days. For any listings that have recently ended, you might still have a chance to relist them. This is a straightforward process, but requires that you catch it in time. Meanwhile, keep an eye out for some other potential issues that could cause confusion about missing listings. Be mindful of duplicate listings. If you have multiple, only the one with bids will remain visible, while the other might have a note in Seller Hub or My eBay. Additionally, remember that eBay has strict policies about prohibited items. If a listing has been removed due to these policies, you will typically receive an email from eBay explaining the reason. By following these steps, you should be well equipped to track down or understand the status of your missing eBay listings. If you have any other tips or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Thanks for watching and happy selling.